Did you get a letter from Covered California stating that you didn't file your federal tax return? Well, there's a fix for that. Hello, I am Kevin Canals with InsureMeKevin.com, an independent health insurance agent and a certified Covered California agent. And many people have received letters from Covered California with this ominous headline of your Covered California financial help may end. Act now to keep it. Well, what is going on is when you enrolled in Covered California for the Affordable Care Act and received subsidies to reduce your health insurance premiums, you agreed to file a federal tax return which reconciles those subsidies. Now, many people who have contacted me filed their federal tax return later in the year, not on April 15th, but they had deadlines, they filed extensions, and they didn't get them in until September or October. So I think what is going on is you probably did file your taxes, or you're in the process of filing your taxes. But if you have filed your taxes and Covered California, tags that database at the IRS, maybe it didn't come up. Maybe because not all this stuff works, in real time. They need to move, information from when the tax return comes in to, it's filed. So it may have been missed, but that's okay. With Covered California, you can do what's called a tax filing attestation. So you want to get into your Covered California account, or call your agent, or call Covered California. And if you can get into your account, then you're going to scroll down to account information, and there's that little caret. You click it and expand that menu, and down near the bottom it'll say tax filing attestation. You want to click on that link, and it'll bring up this page, update tax filing attestation, and you will be attesting that you have filed or will file that last federal tax return. So what you do is you check mark the little box that says I got financial help and I will be filing my taxes, and then you click update. And then the wheel spins and you are taken to your eligibility. And it hopefully should show if everything's working: Covered California plan, financial help, and enhanced silver benefits, and that's for 2025. But did it really stick in the Covered California system? So you can go through and check your enrollment. Get back to your account. There's a little home button up top. Click that. That'll take you back there. And then you want to go down to enrollment dashboard. Click on that link, and it'll bring up the plans that you are enrolled in for 2025. And for this particular client, you can see that the advanced premium tax credit, APTC, which is what we call the subsidy, is there, and their health plan is zero because the subsidy is larger than the health insurance premium. But another way to check that this actually happened, that was updated, is you go back to account information. Then there's a section called history and case history. You click on case history, and that'll take you to the transactions table. And if everything worked, you will see a admin verification eligibility update, the user ID. I happen to have done this. That's why it says agent. It would be your username if you did it, and then the date. And so I did this one on December 20th at 7/28, 2024. And so that got logged in the system. So you have proof that you did click and update that tax filing attestation, and should be no issues. But always check your mail, check any secure emails that Covered California sends you in case there is something else that they need. So if you have any questions or comments, you may leave those down below. And for InsureMeKevin.com, I'm Kevin Canals.